Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote battery in a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee, okay? I recommend using a flathead screwdriver, but you don't need it, but I recommend you having it, okay? Your first step is going to be to remove the emergency key that's at the bottom of this. There's a button right here on the side you're going to push, okay, and you're going to just pull the key right out. Now, you're going to need to split this remote in half to get to the battery. You can use the emergency key to do this, okay, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. We're going to take the back cover off of the remote off, okay, and all we're going to do is stick it in the slot that's right here, and we're going to kind of pry it open, okay. So I like using a flathead screwdriver because it's easier to use, okay. I'm going to go ahead and carefully pull off the cover, and here's the battery right here. It's a CR2450. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to get some of these on Amazon, if you don't have the battery. But this is why I recommend having a flathead screwdriver, because you're going to need to stick it in this little slot you have here to pop the battery out. Okay. The emergency key is a little bit too big for this, but that's pretty much it. If you notice that the positive sign will be facing you when you go to put this new one in, and you're going to need to put it in kind of at an angle to get it in there right, and you just pop it right back in there. It's a little tricky. Give me a little bit of, okay, once you get in there, and then you just slap the cover back on here, and squish it all together, and get your emergency key and stick it back in. And that's how you replace the battery in a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. If the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.